We all are being constantly bored at our homes, and in such a boring schedule, or I should say, no schedule at this point of time, we just have only one thing to pass time upon, which is internet, internet, and internet. And basically, we all like to use internet on our phone, but यार phone को बार बार constantly use करते करते it causes pain to our eyes, pain to our hands, and even phone gets heat up. So अब हम लोग ऐसा चाहेंगे ना कि पीसीज में नेट चल जाए, बट क्या आप जानते हैं कि सिर्फ मोबाइल डेटा का यूज करके वी कैन यूज इंटरनेट ऑन आर पीसीज. So hey, hello, namaste, ram ram, sat sri akal saryanu. This is Ankit Anand and you are watching my YouTube channel Tech Talks. This is going to be my first YouTube video and in which I am going to tell you about how to use mobile data on your computers and also how to transfer the data from phone to PCs. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started to our work. So guys, first of all, we need to connect our phone to the PC by the use of a data cable. And as soon as we do so, an option comes use USB to charge this device, transfer files or transfer photos PTP. So the first option is to charge the device. And guys, let me tell you, it's the most helpful features besides charging. As you can see on my PC, my device is connected to the phone. Now let us move on to the second feature, which is transfer files. As soon as I click on transfer files, my phone shows USB for transfer files and give me an option to import pictures and videos, open device to view files. So when I do so, you can see my phone name is Redmi 5 and its internal shared storage is so and so, and by this all I can copy and paste any data which I want in my PC and phone. So without wasting much time, let's move on further with transfer photos and PTP. So guys, as soon as I do so, I can directly import each and every picture on my PC by clicking so. Like you can see, it is founding my pictures and videos, but I don't want to import, so I'm cancelling the importing. And but यार नेट तो चला ही नहीं. As I told you, USB for charging the device is the most unique and the best feature which our phone offers. So let's move on that. And as soon as I do here, go to settings and go to your more, which is just beneath portable hotspot and on USB tethering. Now as you can see on my PC, there was no network connection from the starting, but now it is searching for network, identifying no network access. You just need to wait for some time and open Google. And see, as I had opened Google, but this network access is not being shown to us. You just need to wait. And I'm opening YouTube, but it is showing reload. As you can see, I have not on internet on my phone, but as soon as I on data on my phone, let's see what happens now. I will on YouTube and guys, it worked. After some while, it will show that internet is available on my PC. So let me show you that it's seriously working or not. As guys, you can see on my PC, mobile data is starting working and it has shown the network access. So don't you think it's a cool feature? Like we can charge our device and at the same time we can use it on our PCs. So अब बहुत सारे आप मुझसे पूछेंगे कि यार इसका अंकित इसमें फायदा क्या है हमारा. देखो यार, जैसे अगर आपके पास पुराने पीसी हैं, जैसे मेरे पीसी में भी ना वाईफाई कनेक्शन नहीं है, तो मैं इसमें वाईफाई यूज नहीं कर सकता. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि आप हॉटस्पॉट यूज करो फोन में एंड कनेक्ट टू द पीसी बाय वाईफाई, बट इसमें डेटा लॉस बहुत ज्यादा होता है. बट अगर आप यूज ऑफ वायर करोगे तो स्पीड भी अच्छी आएगी एंड सिमिलरली you will be able to do all sort of works in an easy manner. So without wasting your much more time, I would like you to thank you. And guys, if you really liked my video, please guys support me on my channel. And if you think the video was anyway informative to you, Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down by giving your important reviews to me so that I can cure all my mistakes. Thank you, guys.